Hello and thank you for joining us. In this video by thestreamingadvisor.com, we're going to show you how to set up an AirTV 2. You need to jump into an iOS or Android device and open your Sling TV app. You go into the settings and click on it, and you'll notice the menu that comes up includes a number of options, but what we want to look at is where it says over-the-air TV. Down at the bottom you see it says Set Up AirTV. So we're going to click on that and it takes you into a wizard here. We're going to connect using Wi-Fi, and you see that it's showing you kind of a layout as to what you need to look for in the Wi-Fi settings of your device. So we're going into the Wi-Fi settings, and you see there with my networks is AirTV 2. That is a temporary connection that it sets up for you, and we're going to select it. Right, now that it's seen it, we're going to jump back into the Sling TV app and connect it up. So we're going to continue. You see it says connecting to the Air TV. Here's our network. We're going to skip me actually typing in my password, and we're just going to say type in your password on your network. Don't look for Stream on 5G. Look for your network, for God's sakes. It's configuring it. And then we're going to just let it be. Let it do its job. Don't press anything. Don't reset anything. Alright, so we are now connected successfully. So we're going to continue from here. It's going to see if we are up to date with everything. If you do have to get an update, and it can take a couple of minutes. Here we're going to, basically give it a name. We're going to call this, I think, AirTV 2 for Office or something like that, so we can make sure we know which little piece of equipment we're working with. And you'll notice the zip code section. Put your own zip code in. Don't put my zip code in, otherwise it won't be able to find anything. So we're doing a channel scan. Channels. Now, just to let you know, for the best results on this, you want to have an antenna mounted outside your house. Dish Network will actually do that for you. Of course, Dish owns Sling TV. If you contact them and say you want to put an over-the-air antenna out there for something like this, they'll do that. I believe it costs $150. So it found us 37 channels. It's just about done. And we're just going to skip on to the next spot. Once you're all done scanning your channels, you jump into something like a Roku, right? There's a Roku, Fire TV. You're going to open your Sling TV app, and we're going to go into the guide, and you're going to see that you now have over-the-air channels. Of course, you can go in and specifically ask for all of them to be displayed. And now they are. The over-the-air channels will display just like everything else on Sling TV. In this case, we're looking at the grid section, but we can do it with the channel view as well. But, see all of them listed there, and you might even notice some things that seem like repeats, like maybe multiple PBSs or something like that. Here's the channel view. But that's because your antenna might be picking up on something, further east or further west or further south. It all depends. Sometimes you can get 2 NBC affiliates or something like that, which is cool because, you can get different programming on there. It's especially cool during football season. We're just going to click on this and make a point. You see it says add DVR. Your DVR for Sling TV will not work. So it shows you have to hook up a hard drive in order to get a DVR to work. That's because an over-the-air signal doesn't automatically record to the cloud the way that their cloud-based programming does. But you can jump in and take a look. Looks like we've got a little bit of squiggling up on there, but that's antennas for you, right? So that is how you get this all set up. I hope you found that helpful, and if you did, please subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends. As always, I'm Ryan Downey, the Streaming Advisor. Stream on, my friends.